Life According to Kay, back at it again. Keep in mind this video was before I started my map and dome light journey. Lego. Hey guys, Christine here from According to Kay. Has this ever happened to you? You get into your car, right? You're ready to go. And like for instance, in my car, I have my car map lights set on to turn on whenever I open my car door. Well, the other day I noticed this. One map light's on and the other one's dead. And on top of that, you really can't see anything with the regular lights that the car came with. So in my mind, I'm thinking it's time for a change, and I don't want to pay money because that's not what we do on A Life According to Kay. We figure out a way to DIY it. So my next stop was to my handy dandy AutoZone, and I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride with me. I think we're gonna discover some interesting things, and hopefully you guys learn some things along with me. But yeah, these lights gotta go. And I'm gonna go ahead and I think replace my dome light, my map lights, and then we'll see from there. LED's a lot brighter, and I have glasses, so I don't see that well. So hopefully you guys journey on with me so I can change these out to a brighter light that makes more sense and can last a little longer. And you got the thrill of doing it yourself and not paying somebody for it. So see you guys soon. So this is my local AutoZone, super friendly, super helpful, and very honest, even if it means they lose a buck. Let's go. Picking up some leather care wipes for my car. I have leather seats in my car. It's always good to maintenance your car, guys. And I will show you pictures of my encounter here at AutoZone. Trying to get some dome and map light bulbs. Stay tuned. All right, so when you enter the AutoZone, there is an aisle for LED and interior lights. This is what it looks like when you come to it. Now, what I saw here was really crazy. The light bulb I needed for my vehicle was a singular one, and it was $12. Some of these are in double packs, but the one I needed was singular. Crazy, huh? Now, this book in the interior lights section contains the product numbers you'll need for every type of light in your vehicle, from LEDs to incandescent lights. Make sure you do your due diligence and look up the prices once you find what you need. I found at $12 per bulb on the high end and $7 per pair on the low end. My best bet was still to use a 12-pack interior kit for $26 and do my own labor. So, Amazon I went, but this book was still pretty handy to look at. So with all my research, that was a no on the store-bought LEDs, but the salespeople were so nice, it was definitely a win on the customer service front. And it was a yes on the Amazon installation kit. Coming in at $26, it was best for the price with 6 free pairs. I hope to see you all next time. Thank you for watching, and comment, let me know how you went on with your installation project.